Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add a PNG frame to your videos in CapCut. So here you just need to prepare the video that you want to add the frames, and you can just add the frames as an overlay. So I already download in advance the frame. I got it from the other photo editing apps, and here I'm going to just add the frames to my video like this. So the frame is in PNG, so it has transparent background like this. I'm going to adjust the length first so that it fits the video like this. Then I'm going to adjust the size now, so it will become like this. Okay, now my video already has a frame, and this is it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.